Being unique is not about being better than others, it is about being the best version of yourself. The correct answer is option D, one of a kind. Sometimes you have to uplift yourself and believe that everything you need is already within you. The correct answer is option D, cause someone to feel more positive. When discipline strengthens your will instead of weakening it, your determination becomes unstoppable. The correct answer is option D, impossible to stop. Unity is not only strength, it teaches us to see ourselves in everyone. The correct answer is option D, togetherness. What is your ultimate goal? The correct answer is option D, highest.